Konkan Railway, riding the tracks of progress for India and beyond. Schedule a public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Railways, Government of India, with shareholding from the governments of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala, trusted to deliver excellence for the nation. Konkan Railway is ISO certified for quality, environmental, safety and information security management systems. KRCL holds a unique distinction of being the only PSU in India engaged in train operations. Founded in 1990 and dedicated to the nation on January 26, 1998, today, Konkan Railway is a formidable force. Today, along its 740-kilometer line from Roha to Thokur, Konkan Railway operates more than 80 trains daily, serving 31 million passengers and carrying 10.3 million tons of freight, including 2.8 million tons of originating freight in 2024-25, with a turnover of 4,200 crore rupees. Konkan Railway is more than a line on the map. It is a living corridor of trade, tourism and cultural exchange, connecting the beaches of Goa, the temples of Karnataka and the forts of Maharashtra. Passenger comfort is paramount. Modern facilities have been introduced, from executive lounges to a rail arcade and food plaza offering a variety of 21 different restaurants and food outlets, a restaurant at Thivim and the scenic Lakeview Cafe at Karmali. To provide better public services, we have developed 12 stations in Maharashtra. This year, we are expanding our services by opening lounges with hospitality service facilities at 7 additional stations. From these services, passenger comfort will increase and the journey will be easier and more enjoyable for millions of travelers. Konkan Railway's engine of growth, freight and logistics. For businesses looking for strategic and reliable logistics, Konkan Railway delivers a comprehensive suite of freight solutions. We pioneered India's first roll-on roll-off service, a seamless multimodal solution revolutionizing road and rail synergy. Our services are strengthened by 4 key private sidings. In the year 2024-25, Hindustan Petroleum's HPCT siding handled 143 petroleum rakes and 244 LPG rakes. The MMRT siding for Mangalore Refinery moved 217 rakes. At Nandikur, the APLU siding serves Adani Thermal Power Plant, handling 634 rakes of inward coal. And the MLPB container siding at Balli managed 138 rakes. This is supported by our robust network of 12 major goods sheds. Key locations like Verna, Ratnagiri, Udupi and Karanjadi, strategically positioned to handle a diverse range of commodities. This extensive network ensures that goods move swiftly and efficiently across the region. We are constantly advancing. In the last 3 years, we've notified 5 new container rail terminals at Indapur, Khed, Ratnagiri, Verna and Thokur. From Verna alone, an average of 5 rakes per month have been loaded over the past 1.5 years. Furthermore, we launched mini container rake services from Ratnagiri. New commodity traffic has commenced, with 164 rakes of bauxite loaded from Karanjadi since November 2022 and laterite loading initiated from Zharap. A new stream of outward petroleum traffic for Elatur from HPCT has already moved 151 rakes since June 2024. To enhance freight operations, we have developed more than 2 lakh square feet of warehousing space in the last 2 years, with new state-of-the-art warehouses at Indapur, Verna, Udupi and Thokur in collaboration with strategic partners. We are also planning a 135 crore rupee rail siding at Bhoke to efficiently channel cargo from Jaigarh port into our network. Engineering a nation, a legacy of excellence. Konkan Railway's true strength lies in its unparalleled execution capability. We have delivered projects totaling over 24,000 crore rupees across civil, electrical, mechanical, signaling and telecom sectors, marking our legacy of engineering and operational excellence. Our expertise is comprehensive. Our consultancy division, with a dedicated design office in New Delhi, in-house geology experts and foreign collaborators, provides a full spectrum of services. We have undertaken over 150 DPRs and completed 100 plus inspections. We deliver results that shape infrastructure. Our consultancy division provides end-to-end services, 61 pre-project assignments, covering feasibility studies and detailed project reports in last few years. Our teams have completed 54 assignments in design consultancy for complex bridges, tunnels, and alignments. And we have delivered 149 assignments in project management consultancy, offering supervision and third-party inspection. In project implementation and operations and maintenance, our capabilities are vast. We execute projects across railways, metros, highways, and even the setup of factories. Our O&M services extend to rolling stock supply, railway maintenance, and specialized training. This deep experience is built on a solid foundation. We have constructed over 159 kilometers of tunnels and more than 34 kilometers of bridges, turning India's most ambitious infrastructure dreams into reality. The crown jewel, the USBRL project. Among our greatest achievements, Konkan Railway holds the rare distinction of completing Katra-Dharam section of the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail link, a single work of 19,729 crore rupees. This project is home to global icons of engineering, world's highest railway arch bridge, the Chenab Bridge, and India's first cable-stayed rail bridge, the Anji Khad Bridge. This landmark project, featuring 16 tunnels, 5 stations, and 24 bridges over 52 kilometers, was proudly dedicated to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister on June 6, 2025. Our portfolio of completed projects demonstrates our versatility. In engineering, we've executed critical infrastructure for the nation's power sector, delivering the railway siding for NTPC's super thermal power plant at Gadarwada and the rail connectivity for NTPC's plant at Kudgi. We have also constructed rolling stock component factory at Lote for Central Railway, a facility for manufacturing and overhauling modern LHB bogies. Our expertise is sought beyond our borders. We successfully commissioned and delivered 2 DEMU train sets to Nepal Railways, conducted the survey for a new railway line between Raxaul and Kathmandu, and provided consultancy for the rehabilitation of the meter gauge line for TCML in Kenya. In electrical engineering, we undertook the monumental task of electrifying our entire home route. We also executed the complex railway electrification works for the USBRL project. Our signaling and telecommunication capabilities are robust. We have installed modern electronic interlocking at 19 stations, implemented automatic signaling systems, and executed SNT modifications for electrification fitness. We have also established a comprehensive IP-based CCTV network, enhancing safety and security.
Namaskar. One of the most defining images on the contemporary infrastructure scene in the country has been that of the iconic Chenab Bridge, which we can proudly say was constructed by us. We have not only excelled in delivering infrastructure with finesse, we are also a functional railway system operating and maintaining 740 odd kilometers of railway line in the most rugged and hilly terrain, consisting of 91 tunnels, 190 major bridges, 1701 minor bridges, and 224 kilometers of track in cuttings. The section sees heavy rainfall, which makes our task yet more difficult. We endeavor to fasten our pace towards building infrastructure and to enhance our capacity towards operating and maintaining the same, so as to make a modest contribution towards achieving our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of a Viksit Bharat by 2047. Dhanyavad.
The Konkan Railway has always been more than just a transport corridor. It has been lifeline for the western coast of India. It is now pioneering as an expert in operation and maintenance. With our skilled team of engineers and managers and technical expertise, we ensure safe and efficient running of trains while successfully executing complex projects from track and tunnel works to electrification and signaling.
Konkan Railway Corporation Limited is a company of rupees 8,910 crore. The company has operating surplus since first year of operation and booked a profit after the first financial restructuring and achieved highest profit of 301 crore in financial year 23-24. Also during the financial year 24-25, company has booked a profit of rupees 137 crore. Konkan Railway shows strong financials and the highest standard of credit worthiness and market creditability. India Rating and ICRA has given AA plus stable rating to the corporation.
Konkan Railway today is not just a transporter. We are a national project execution partner. Our ongoing projects span the length and breadth of India, building railway connectivity for the Vizhinjam International Seaport in Kerala, creating the twin-tube road tunnel between Anankampoil, Kaladi and Mepadi, and developing the Khurda Road Bolangir broad gauge line in Odisha. We are also constructing a new railway link between Taranga Hill in Gujarat and Abu Road in Rajasthan. We are spreading our wings in the international project market also and have bid recently in Croatia and Congo, just to name a few. Alongside these, we are executing multiple electrification projects worth over 2,300 crore of rupees across 12 zonal railways. And we are also delivering signal and telecom project works valued at around 270 crore rupees. Beyond construction, we are trusted for operations and maintenance, currently managing the Jayanagar-Vijalpura rail link for Nepal Railways, the Navi Mumbai Metro Line 1, and providing loco maintenance for the Marmugao Port Authority at Goa. Our expertise also extends to maintenance, and we are proud to be maintaining rakes for Western Railway at Pratap Nagar and Bhavnagar workshops. I am very proud to announce that Konkan Railway has been entrusted to maintain the most difficult Katra-Banihal section by Northern Railway at a cost of rupees 950 crores for next 5 years. Each of these projects reflect our commitment to timely delivery and engineering excellence and sustainable growth for the nation. Our vision is to have work order for projects of rupees 15,000 crore every year, expanding our horizon to become a leading infrastructure company of India. Our performance speaks for itself. With consistent year-on-year growth in turnover and profitability, Konkan Railway is a story of strategic success. Powered by a dedicated workforce of over 5,000, we are not just meeting our goals, we are creating new benchmarks of excellence and contributing significantly to the nation's progress.
Konkan Railway's performance has been recognized with some of the nation's highest honors. These accolades include the National Award for Excellence in PSUs 2025, Best PSU in Research and Innovation, Best Performance in Procurement, and Best PSU in Training and Development. The ET Infra Rail Show Award 2025 for Outstanding Bridge and Tunnel Construction, and both the Asia's Best Employer Brand Award and the Asian Leadership Award as a dream company to work for. We are a trusted partner in delivering the world's most challenging railway initiatives. We invite you to travel on most scenic Konkan Railway, to do business on our freight terminal, and to partner with us for project execution at national and international level. This is our vision. This is our promise. This is Konkan Railway.